Hello my lovelies, it's Odette. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for coming in today for another video. You guys know that I'm always happy to sit here and bring you guys videos every single week, and I really hope you guys enjoy my content. And this is a skincare and beauty channel. There's some hauls and collabs in between, but it's just mainly a skincare and beauty channel, and I share with you guys so many amazing wonderful skincare products that I have used to clear my skin while I was going through my skincare journey. So if this is something that you guys are interested in, please watch to the end and subscribe. Thumbs up this video before you go, and welcome to my brand new subscribers, because I know some of my TikTok friends are on here, and I thank you guys so much for subscribing, and I thank you so much for watching. And if you guys are not following me on TikTok, you are missing out, because I upload content on TikTok every single day. Okay, I am going to leave my social media handles in the description box for you guys, just in case you don't know who I am on my social media, and just in case you're not following me. So the handles are going to be down below for you guys. So we're just gonna get started. So in today's video, I do have a brand ambassador unboxing for you guys. This company reached out to me on TikTok and asked me to be part of their ambassador program. It took me a little while to say yes, but eventually I did say yes. And all of the brand ambassador programs are going to be on my website. The paid brand promotions are going to be on my website as well. Products I'm testing from different companies will also be on my website, so please check it out. And this company is called Adeline Gems, and again, they reached out to me on TikTok and they sent me a beautiful necklace. It came in this shipping envelope, but I'm just going to say that I am not very impressed with the shipping package, because the content of the shipping envelope does not need to be in a packaging like this, but that's besides the point. And of course, it came in a little envelope like this inside of the envelope, and you guys are going to be seeing some videos coming up. So this is the beautiful necklace right here. Let me just show you guys this beautiful necklace, and this is a double choker necklace. The details will be down in the description box for you guys. I absolutely love this piece because it is very girly and it's just beautiful. And what really attracted me to this is the fact that this is not going to tarnish. It's hypoallergenic. It's not going to irritate your skin. It is absolutely beautiful. And I'm going to try to bring that close so you guys can see. Let me just show you guys the side with the little diamonds on it. It looks so pretty. Absolutely gorgeous on. And I'm going to be wearing this double choker necklace all summer long. And it has a slight little weight to it. And of course, if there's going to be a discount code for you guys, I will definitely leave it in the description box for you. This is absolutely pretty, gorgeous. The little butterflies have some diamonds in it. I don't know if you guys can see that. And it looks so pretty on. Absolutely love it, from Adeline Gems. Again, it's called a double choker necklace. Very, very, very pretty. And when I saw this on the website, I thought I must have this one, because you guys know that I do love jewelry, and I do have one particular favorite necklace that I wear all the time, and you guys know exactly what it is. And I'm very, very picky when it comes to my jewelry. I mean, they have to have a certain quality and look to it, nothing just too plain. But this was really caught my eyes. So when I got on the website and I had to pick something, I thought I am picking this beautiful necklace. It's absolutely gorgeous, from Adeline Gems. If you are watching, thank you so much for sending this beautiful necklace. I absolutely adore it. I've already done a video and some content for you guys already on your social media, so I'm really hoping that you guys are going to enjoy it. And this is a beautiful, gorgeous necklace right here. And I mean, you can take this from day to night. You can wear this anywhere you want. And this is one of those pieces you will find yourself reaching for every single day. It is very, very pretty. If you want to get one of these for your nieces and for your cousins and for friends and for gifts for yourself, for special gifts, for special someone, you can definitely do this, and they will absolutely enjoy this beautiful, beautiful, gorgeous necklace. Again, it's called the double choker necklace, and it has a butterfly on it. And I do love the butterfly detail. There is something about a butterfly pendant on a necklace that really stands out to me, and I really do love this. I'm going to leave all of the details about this necklace in the description box. I'm going to leave the link to the company in the description box for you guys. And again, if there's a discount code that you want to use to get yourself one of these beautiful necklaces, it's going to be down below for you guys. And again, here it is. It's quite cute. And there would be again from Adeline Gems, and I thank you so much for sending this beautiful necklace to me, and I absolutely love it, and I'm really happy to be part of your ambassador program. And you're going to find some of these information that we talk about today on my website, but I'm going to leave everything about the brand, about the necklace, is all going to be down in the description box for you guys. So I do hope you enjoy this video today. This necklace is really, really gorgeous, so beautiful. There we go. So I do hope you guys enjoy this video today. Thank you so much for coming in for this video. Thank you for watching. And again, I do have a few other products that's going to be coming up that I'm going to be sharing with you guys. Some other brands did reach out to me. They are going to be paid content, and I'm going to be testing some skincare products for another brand. So all that's going to be coming up in future videos, and I want you guys to stay tuned. And I'm so happy to be paid by brands now for content, which is amazing. And again, I thank you so much for watching. My name is Odette. Thank you so much for coming in. We are going to leave it here for now, and I shall see you guys next time. Toodles.